Hi, kindergarten. Today you are doing uppercase R on page 50. First things first, make sure you are sitting bottom to bottom, back to back. You're going to hold your pencil correctly, with a nice grip, and keep your hand on the table. All right, uppercase R. The directions are to start at the green dot, pull down straight, lift, go back to the green dot, slide right, curve down, slide left, do not lift, I want you to stay down, slant right. Okay, so it's actually two strokes. The line is one stroke, and then the loop and the kick out is one stroke. So let's try the next one. Start at the green dot, pull down straight, lift, slide right, curve down, slide left, don't lift, slant right. Already, my second one looks much better than my first one. All right, pull down straight, lift, slide right, curve down, slide left, slant right. Pull down straight, lift, slide right, curve down, slide left, slant right. Okay, you're going to finish the top two. On the second row, you will have to try it by yourself. They have given you the dots to start, so you only have to do it where the dots are. Pull down straight, lift, slide right across the blue line, down to the dotted line, and back across that dotted line, and then kick down to the red line. Okay, pull down straight, lift, slide across the thick blue line, curve down to the dotted line, back across the dotted line to the first line that you made, slant right. Okay, I want to make sure that I'm going from top to bottom. Okay, I'm staying inside the blue and the red line. I don't want it to look messy like this. Okay, that's not okay. I want to make sure that it stays in the lines, in the boundaries. Straight out. I also want to make sure that it touches. Okay, I don't want to do this. It needs to touch. It needs to come all the way back. Okay, so those are not my best work. You are going to finish the bottom row. Okay, when you get down here, it says, help the runner find her way to the finish line. So you're going to start at this green dot and work your way through the maze to try to get to the red dot. At the bottom, there's a thick black line. That means it's missing. Write the uppercase R to complete the sentence. So you're going to make an uppercase R, pull down straight, lift, slide right, curve down, slide left, slant right. You're also going to finish tracing the rest of the letters. Do your best to stay inside the lines. When you're done, go back and look at your work. Circle your best R that you made and put an X on the one that you could practice better the next time. Then you're finished. Take a picture, post it to your seesaw.